It's so easy now to create process maps, user stories, and even a business requirements document. Before you go back and overusing these tools, I'm going to show you the common mistakes that you should avoid when using AI tools in your analysis. Stay until the end because the last mistake that we will discuss is very important and could either end your BA career in an instant or put you in jail, or both. If you're new here, I'm Ace. I help BAs grow and succeed in their roles. So if you want to learn tips and techniques on how to grow your BA skills, start now by subscribing. Now, before we dive into these common mistakes, let's head back inside. It's too windy and I don't want to catch anything.
The first mistake on our list is neglecting clear objectives, and it's a significant one. Just as you wouldn't set sail without a destination, the same principle applies when using AI tools. As a BA, whenever you're involved in a project, there's always a goal that you must work towards. When using AI to expedite that goal, it's essential to clearly define what you intend to achieve with AI and what business problem you aim to solve. One effective way to avoid this mistake is to collaborate closely with your stakeholders, document their needs, and establish SMART objectives. This approach will help ensure that your use of AI stays on course, thereby keeping your project on the right track. By the way, SMART is an acronym which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next up is insufficient data preparation. It's kind of like building a sandcastle without any sand. When your business agrees to implement AI in your project, you've got to make sure that the data you're using is complete and accurate. After all, data is the lifeblood of AI. Inefficient or poor quality data can lead to inaccurate results and wasted efforts. To steer clear of this blender, invest some time in data cleansing, pre-processing, and data engineering. Always keep in mind, garbage in, garbage out. The next mistake is blindly trusting AI models. Remember, even AI isn't flawless. You should critically evaluate results from AI models just as you would evaluate results from humans. Trusting models blindly can lead to poor decisions. Sure, you've probably reviewed use cases and run some tests before using that AI tool. However, before delivering a project into production, there's a process in place. Developers conduct unit tests followed by a formal testing in a test environment. Only after passing these tests does the project move to pre-production. This process ensures that the project aligns with the requirements and undergoes rigorous testing before public release. This process also applies when using AI tools. To avoid this mistake, consider implementing model explainability techniques, monitor model performance, and always maintain human oversight. All this negativity talk is making me want to go outside for a quick walk. Let's go stretch our legs, shall we?
Before we delve deeper into these common mistakes, let's briefly review the exciting world of AI tools. Artificial intelligence has transformed the way businesses operate, and BAs, like yourself, play a crucial role in harnessing its potential. AI tools, in case you're not aware, are software applications powered by artificial intelligence, including machine learning and natural language processing. They assist businesses in data analysis, process automation, and data-driven decision-making. As the bridge between business needs and technological solutions, you ensure that AI tools align with business goals and requirements. If you're eager to learn more about how BAs and AI can collaborate effectively, click the link that I'll be posting somewhere on this screen. Alright, that's enough walking. Let's head back to the studio.
We've now reached mistake number 4, neglecting stakeholder communication. Please never make this mistake. It's a sure recipe for failure. We BAs must excel in communication, and you need to be a virtuoso on your personal communication instrument. Virtuoso. Yeah. Ooh. Virtuoso. Stakeholders should stay engaged throughout this project. Neglecting communication could lead to misunderstandings. When you use AI tools, they might produce information that does not align with the actual business requirements, rendering those AI results useless and incompatible with your project goals. Avoiding this mistake is quite simple. You just need to establish clear communication channels for your stakeholders, provide regular updates, and promptly address any concerns. The next mistake is skipping continuous learning. In the world of AI, learning is a lifelong journey because AI is constantly evolving. You must keep up with the latest trends, tools, and best practices. It's the same principle you would typically follow when using tools specific for your projects, such as project management tools or data visualization tools. You don't stop learning how to use them effectively after grasping the basic functions. Continue learning to enhance your skills, become more effective, and perhaps discover different functions that could potentially boost your results or improve your current processes. Investing in continuous learning is essential essential. Attend conferences when applicable and stay engaged with AI communities. Many forward-thinking businesses prioritize their staff's well-being by incorporating a continuous improvement sprint, or CI sprint for short, into their project boards. This allows project team members some time off to enhance their current skill set or learn something new. If your current workplace doesn't have this, you can always suggest including it in your ways of working. Does the company you're working for have a continuous improvement sprint? Is this something of interest to you? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay, let's dive into the juiciest mistake of them all: overlooking ethical considerations. Doing this could lead to a downfall in your career, if not jail time. AI comes with great power and great responsibility. And no, I'm not just quoting someone. Let me explain. Ethical considerations are absolutely crucial when using AI. You must be aware of biases, fairness, and data privacy issues. Failing to recognize the importance of this when using AI could lead to breaches to regulatory policies and non-compliance with regulatory requirements. Such breaches could result in legal actions against the business and significant damage to its reputation if the information becomes public. You'd be fortunate if the company you work for only terminates your employment and doesn't pursue legal actions for damages due to your direct responsibility for these regulatory breaches. To avoid this, ensure you conduct ethical impact assessments, involve the legal team when necessary, and maintain regulatory compliance with your local regulatory body through collaboration with your risk and compliance team. Now, I'll give you a minute to digest all these mistakes that we've just discussed so you can avoid going down that path. In the worst case scenario, it won't end well for your career as a BA if you make these mistakes, especially if you don't watch this video where I will show you which AI tools you can start using to assist with some basic BA work without facing major consequences.